So you finally decided that you want to invest in something that will make you money. Luckily for you, I've compiled a list of 3 items I personally believe will make you money. But before we get into that, if it isn't too much to ask for, please smash that like button for the algorithm so more people can see my videos. The first item in this list is an absolute essential, for that you cannot make money without knowing how much money you actually have. Enter a financial organizer. Essentially, this is a book in which you record all your income and expenses on a monthly basis in order to keep track of how much money you spend on items that aren't financially beneficial. Someone with a lack of interest in the subject of saving or a beginner could look past this, but if done correctly, this item could save you hundreds if not thousands every year by simply highlighting all the useless purchases you make on a daily basis, which amounts to a substantial figure at the end of the year. This leads me to my second point. Enter a coffee maker. It is said that an average American aged 25 to 34 spends roughly $2,000 every year on coffee. As if these figures aren't bad enough, if the same $2,000 is invested in the S&P 500 for 30 years with an average return of 7% dividends reinvested, you would have accumulated $195,000, which I find especially handy since this is going to be the time you should be retired. But since you bought from Starbucks in your 20s, it is most likely improbable. But there is hope for us few who enjoy coffee but don't want to break the bank. This $25 item could save you thousands and indirectly make you hundreds of thousands and set you up for a comfortable retirement. If you're interested, there's a link to an inexpensive coffee maker in the description. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure to destroy the like button for the algorithm, and if there's something you'd like me to improve on the next video, leave it in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next one.